dance is called 2 Years. It's a 64 count, 2 wall, beginner level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Point the right to the right side, touch the right beside the left, point the right out to the side again, hold. Into a little weave, you're going to cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, cross the right over the left, hold. Now set of steps once more then, points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. You're going to repeat that set of steps with the left foot leading. So you're going to point the left out to the side, touch the left beside the right, point the left out to the side, hold. Into a weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, points off on the left. 7, 8, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Add those two sections together, points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Add on a mambo step. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left, hold. Shuffle back on the left, so you can step the left back, right beside left, step the left back, hold. That set of steps once more then, mambo step off on the right. 7, 8, mambo step, hold, back, shuffle, hold. Let's add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Mambo step, hold, back, shuffle, hold. Sweep the right back. Now with this sweep step you are going to be maintaining gentle contact with the ground with the ball of the foot. So that right foot is just sweeping from the front to the back. Then step back on it. Sweep the left, step back on the left. So those sweep steps are actually taking one beat or count of music. Then add on a coaster step, right foot leading, stepping back on the right, left beside right, step the right forward, hold. That set of steps once more then, sweeping and stepping back on that right. 7, 8, sweep, back, coaster, step, hold. That's our halfway point, let's take it up to there. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold. Mambo step, hold, back, shuffle, hold, sweep, back, coaster, step, hold. Like I said, that is our halfway point because it's a 64 count dance. We'll do it in 2 halves and then add the halves together. So you're going to rock forward on the left, but we're going to modify it by putting some holds in between the steps. So you rock forward on the left, hold, recover your weight back on the right, hold. Into a coaster step, stepping the left back, right beside left, step the left forward. Hold. That set of steps once more then. That forward rock with those holds in it. 7, 8, forward. hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold. You're now going to add on a couple of sugar feet. Ball scuff step, toe heel step. They come by various different names. This is sugar foot. So you're going to touch your right toe beside the left. Touch the right heel beside the left. Step the right forward. That is your sugar foot. Then you hold. And repeat with the left foot. So you touch your left toe beside the right. Touch the left heel beside the right. Step forward on the left. Hold. So 2 sugar feet. That section once more then off on the right. 7, 8. Toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Forward rock off on the left. 7, 8. Forward hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold. Add on another mambo step. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right beside the left, which is mambo step, hold. Into a coaster, cross. So you step the left back, right beside left, cross the left over the right, that's your coaster, cross, hold. That set of steps once more then. Mambo step off on the right. 7, 8. Mambo step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. Let's add that to our halfway point. Forward rock off on the left. 7, 8. Forward hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, mambo step, hold, coaster, cross, hold. To end the dance, we're going to add on a couple of Monterey quarter turns. So you're going to point the right to the side, bring the right back beside the left as you make a quarter turn to the right. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. That's your first quarter Monterey turn. And repeat. Point the right to the side, make that quarter turn as you bring the feet together. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Monterey's up on the right. 7, 8. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Monterey turns. Let's add that to our halfway point. Forward rock with those holds in. Off on the left. 7, 8. Forward hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, mambo step, hold, coaster, cross, hold, point, turn, point, close, Monterey turn. So your 2 Monterey turns. So that is your 2 halves of the dance. Let's add them together. Points off on the right. 7, 8. Point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, mambo step, hold, back, shuffle, hold, sweep back, coaster, step, hold. Forward hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, mambo step, hold, coaster, cross, hold, Monterey turn, Monterey turn. So that is your dance, not an and count in sight. But the music has got a little bit of a pace to it. So let's have a go at the back wall because it is a 2-wall dance. We'll keep going when we get to the front. And when I get back to the front, I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. points off on the right. 7, 8, point out, in, out, behind, side, cross, hold, point out, in, out, hold, behind, side, cross, hold, mambo, step, hold, back, shuffle, hold, sweep, back, coaster, step, hold, forward, hold, rock, hold, coaster, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, toe, heel, step, hold, mambo, step, hold, coaster, cross, hold, Monterey, turn, out, in, out, behind, side, cross, out, in, out, behind, side, cross, mambo, step, back, shuffle, back, coaster, step, forward, rock, coaster, step, toe, heel, step, mambo, step, coaster, cross, Monterey, turn, So hopefully you managed to keep up with that, especially as I missed out the word hold and sweep in that last wall. So that is it. That is your dance, that is your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8, bouncing out, side cross, out, behind side cross, mambo step, back shuffle, back, coaster step, forward roll, coaster step, toe heel step, mambo step, coaster cross, Monterey turn, out, behind side cross, out, behind side cross, mambo step, back shuffle, back, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, toe heel step, mambo step, coaster cross, Monterey turn, out, behind side cross, out, behind side cross, mambo step, back shuffle, back, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, toe heel step, mambo step, coaster cross, Monterey turn, behind side cross, behind side cross, mambo step, back shuffle, back, coaster step, forward rock, coaster step, toe heel step, mambo step, coaster cross, Monterey turn, points, mambo, flips, forward rock, sugar hook, mambo, Monterey, points, mambo, sweep, forward rock, sugar hooks, mambo, Monterey.
Love's gonna live here, love's gonna live here, love's gonna live here again. No more lonely days, only happiness. Love's gonna live here again. Oh yeah, love's gonna live here again.
Hope you managed that one.